Hey, welcome back to my channel. Do you want to see how I made this delicious and mouth-watering chocolate banana bread? Then go nowhere. Sit back and watch me do it from start to finish. I'll start by peeling my overripe banana. Yes, overripe banana. If you don't have overripe banana, you can use a normal banana and put it in the oven. It will still produce the same result. So I'm going to peel that, cut it, and I'll mash it and put aside. However, if this is your first time of coming through my channel again, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to click on that notification bell, like, and also comment. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are super amazing. You guys are the very VIP. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. So what I'm doing at the moment is smashing the banana with my fork. You can also use other means to smash your banana. Yes, this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to smash that in small pieces and I'll set aside and move over to the dry ingredients. For this recipe, I'll be using 217 kg of self-rising flour. I'll put that in the sieve and I will sieve it. And also I'll be using the salt and some cinnamon and some chili pepper. It's strange, isn't it? Yes, I decided to add chili pepper because I love chili pepper a lot. So I'm going to sieve everything together and later pour whatever that is left in there in the bowl. And of course I'm going to mix every dry ingredients together and set aside. And once this is done, I'm going to move over to my wet ingredients. So I'm going to go in with my butter first. Okay, the measurement of the butter and everything I've used here, I'm going to put it in the description section for you to take a look at. And also some sugar, white sugar. I'll also be adding some brown sugar, and I'll whisk everything together until it's smooth. And once I get the consistency I want, I'm going to go in with my egg. So I'm going to put in the first egg and the second egg. Look at the way I'm breaking the egg. Don't mind me, it doesn't really matter. All I know is I'm putting 2 eggs into my batter there, and I'm going to whisk again until I get another smoothness from there. Once I'm satisfied with the mixture, I'm going to go in with my yogurt. I am using Muller Light yogurt, lemon flavor. So you can use any yogurt of your choice, okay? But for me, this is what I have in my fridge, so that is why I am using it. I'm going to go ahead and whisk it properly until I'm satisfied with the texture. Once I'm satisfied with the texture, I'm going to go in with a tablespoon of vanilla extract and I'll whisk again. Then in go my mashed banana and I'll whisk again. This is exactly the texture I want to see. Afterwards, I'm going to go in with my dry ingredients, which is the flour from before, the mixture of flour from before, and I will give it a good stir with my spatula. done using my spatula, I'm going to clean that and I'm going to whisk again for 1 or 2 minutes and then add my chocolate chips. I'm going to go ahead and mix the chocolate chips very well with the batter, and it is ready to go into the oven. So this is my baking tray, all greased up with my baking paper. I'm going to go ahead and pour the batter into the baking tray. Once everything is smoothing out, I'm going to go in with my old gold chocolate beans. I'm going to sprinkle that on there and then put in the oven for 30 minutes, gas mark 180 degrees. Wow, take a look at that. That is the outcome of my chocolate banana bread. Isn't that amazing? It looks so yummy. I'm gonna go ahead and display it on the plate there. Take a look at that. Wow, it looks so yummy. You want to try this? Go on and try it and tell me what you think. But first of all, let's have tea. This is super looking delicious. If you stayed up to this point, thank you so much for your support. I do appreciate you guys. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. And I'll see you in my next one. At this point, I'll say bye-bye and God bless you.